Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, in last few classes, we already got the information about the different knots and their uses. From this month, we are going to follow new syllabus which I already forwarded to you. In today's class, we will start from compass and its direction. Children, maybe most of you are very well aware about compass and how we can use it. Our today class is based on this. So before going in detail, you should have your compass. If you don't have, then you can use your mobile for compass and its direction. First we will see little bit theory point of about compass. What is compass? A compass is used to find the location of magnetic north. Knowing where the magnetic north is, a person can easily identify the direction he or she heard by using a map. Now, aside from north, there are total 31 other points also found on a compass. These points are further divided into principal and non-principal points. Principal points are further subdivided into three points, which is cardinal points, intercardinal points and non-cardinal points. In today's class, we are going to focus on these three principal points. Now we will see what is cardinal points. The four main directions are the cardinal points of the compass, which is north, east, south and west. These four directions are at right angles, which is 90 degrees to each other, means a 1/4 of the circle. The cardinal points are also called principal points. Now we will see the next, which is half cardinal points. What is half cardinal points? It lay down between the cardinal points of the compass, like northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. These 4 points are at 45 degrees to the four cardinal directions, which is 1/8 of the circle. The half cardinal points are also known as quadrantal points and intercardinal points. Now we will see the next. Another point is false points. False point is also known as non-cardinal points. The directions dividing the cardinal and half cardinal points are called false points. For an example, north northeast, east northeast, east southeast, south southeast, south southwest, west southwest, west northwest and north northwest. These 8 points are at 20.5 degrees to the others and 1/16 of the circle. The false point, I already said, is also known as intermediate points or three-letter points. So children, just now we saw cardinal points, intercardinal points and non-cardinal points. Now we will discuss this in this diagram. Here children, you are seeing compass, which is also available in your mobile. Please open your mobile and see four major directions: north, east, south and west. This is called cardinal points because it always constant, never change. Okay, and after that we talked about, if we see, north represent 0 degree or 360 degree, east represent 90 degrees, south represent 180 degrees, and west represent 270 degrees. If we When we talk about intercardinal points, then we are talking about northeast, which is 45 degree, southeast 135 degrees, southwest which is 225 degree, and northwest which is 315 degree. When we talk about false point, which is also known as non-cardinal points or intermediate points, so here you are able to see here, north northeast, this is false point or intermediate point, which is 22.5 degree, east northeast, east southeast, south southeast, south southwest, west southwest, west northwest, north northwest. These are the false points or intermediate points which you need to understand on compass. Why I am telling you? Because it's very necessary when we are going for traveling, or when we have to find the way if we are in difficult situation. And it is also very helpful finding the way with using map. In next class we will go little bit deeper about compass, and after that I am sending one video also for your deeper clarification. Thanks and have a good day.